day 3. I am going to pick them up from their hotel. They're actually checking out of the hotel and staying with us tonight. But after I pick them up, we're going to go to Henline Mountain, which is like kind of near Salem. It's like 2.5 hours south. Now, I don't know how much we're actually going to hike up Henline Mountain because it is one of the harder hikes. Joel and I got to the top 3-4 years ago, and it is very strenuous. Pretty much from the second you get on the trailhead, you're going up, and you're climbing like 1,000 feet a mile. So it's a tough one. All right, so at this point we are just a couple miles from the Henline Mountain trailhead, and road is pretty gravelly, but it's not as bad as I remember when Joel and I did this a couple years ago. Did you see Sasquatch over there? Yeah.
I saw. He winked at me.
Henline Falls, Henline Creek. So we made it a little bit further, and then Dad and Betty wanted to look at this infographic, and now we've been standing here for a good 45 minutes, and I don't know what they're doing. They're just pointing at it.
That's right.
Where's Henline Falls or Creek?
Henline Falls.
There we go.
Henline Creek.
Henline
Mountain.
Henline Mountain. And where are we at right now is what we're trying to figure out.
I'm not sure.
All right, and we made it to Henline Mountain Trailhead. There it is.
I got the heaviest boots of anybody here. So if I trip and stumble, it's because I got heavy boots on.
Exactly. Yeah, this one you have to kind of fill out something so they know who is on the trail.
One person from each party must register here.
Jordan Henline, here's your address, Jordan.
All right, yep. Henline Mountain begins. This big stump grew a tree that now looks like it's dead, but that tree brought down a root that, because it was outside, kind of just looks like an outside of a tree, went all the way down. Slowly made its way, now it's in the ground. Pretty cool. Alright, catch up with them. Yeah, Betty and I saw these rocks sitting near this tree, and it kind of looks like somebody placed them there, so we're gonna also place them there. Found one?
Found one.
Nice. Once we were a few minutes into the hike, I figured it was important to teach them the old Henline bear deterrent call. Whoop! 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 Alright, so Betty was just about to press record, and then this happened.
It's working the farts right out of me. You get that on camera?
No, I wasn't recording yet.
I was. I was just getting ready to say we are standing on the side of Henline Mountain. Ah, you killed me.
All right, shall we go?
Henline Mountain. Whoop.
Whoop! Whoop! What is going on here?
We're
Pickle juice
gonna have a
break.
pickle juice break.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the hiking sticks that they're using were the same ones that Joel and I made when we hiked this mountain last time. We made 3. This one that Betty's holding was for Haley. I'm not sure where the third one is. I found this nice quality one on the ground. Oh yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
Whoop! Found ourselves another wide open space, a cliff face.
Yeah.
A chicken hen kind of thing up here.
Yeah.
Except,
Is it sticky too?
yeah, a little sticky. Got pickles and Reubens and club sandwiches.
BLT with avocado.
Nice.
You have avocado on it? Good, yeah.
So this is going to be our turnaround point where we had lunch. We've hiked about 2 hours to get here. So we'll take about the hour trip back down and then probably head to Henline Falls after that. Alright, let's see what the edge looks like. I mean, I won't be able to get that close, but...
Alright, George.
Alright, and the Henlines have conquered Henline Mountain.
Need more water, buddy?
I've got some back here. Up here.
We are now at Henline Falls. Now, I've never been to Henline Falls before, so this will be a first time. Henline Falls, 3348. After what feels like a little more than a mile, we have made it to Henline Falls. We started to hear water a couple minutes ago, and now through the trees you can start to see some waterfalls falling. Getting closer, you can feel the wind coming off the falls. Temperatures dropped a few degrees. Huh. It's a pretty good one. And on the other side of the falls is just a bunch of very large rocks going through the creek. Betty is sitting on one of them.
It's nice and cold.
How's that feel?
Feels good. Feels really good. Like, dude, never wish to stick my whole head in there.